Hello, this is Salim Walid, and this video is on how to use MetaPlotty. MetaPlotty is the simplest way to create advanced first plots. Up till now, MetaPlotty only makes first plots. Let's see the feedback and whether researchers will use it, and we may expand it to make subgroup meta-analysis, create funnel plots, paged plots, leave one-out sensitivity analysis. Let's see how to use it. You have to create a CSV file. If you have an Excel sheet, convert it to a CSV file. Here is an extraction sheet sent to me for meta-analysis. All what I need to do is to copy columns of the first outcome, for example, and paste it into the CSV file. Your data must start from the second row. And the first row, you can name it whatever you want. I prefer to name it like this. You don't even have to remove studies not reporting your outcome. MetaPlotty will make it for you. Then save it as CSV file. I pressed Ctrl S, but here Excel wants to save it as tab separated, and we want it as comma separated. This is what I did. Now it's MetaPlotty turn. All what you have to do is to drag and drop the file to MetaPlotty and choose what you named your columns. You don't have to choose anything here. MetaPlotty will auto-detect your data. Here, if you want to specify the name of the experimental and control groups, I do want to make it now. Here is where you should choose the summary measure. If it's continuous outcome, I prefer to choose mean difference. And if it's binary, I prefer to choose relative risk. And press this magic button. Here's the first plot. For mobile phones, all what you need is to repeat all the steps that we have done. MetaPlotty will make first plots for you. This is Salim Walid, and thank you.